Good morning, P2 students. How are you today? Today is Monday and it's the 1st of June, right? So now we are done with the month of May and now this is June and it's the Children's Day. Happy Children's Day. Okay, so today we're going to go through our assignment last week. So this assignment is about making a circuit. We know that the circuit is when you make an the light bulb works, right? So what we need some like this, we need like this one, and this one in order to make this bulb work. Okay, so first let's answer this and then teacher will try to explain more about this one. So the instruction is that you are going to look at the pictures and identify its name. So here, the given picture is this one. So you are going to identify if it's a battery or a cell, if it's a bulb holder, if it's a cell or battery holder, a bulb or a wire. So most of you are very good with this and of course you get the perfect score. So look, so again here you can see this a check, so that's the answer. So this one is the battery. So a battery has two parts. This part, like this one, the plain one, this is the negative part. And if you see the pointy one, this is the positive part. So again, some batteries like the flat one, even if it's there's no point, like this one compared to this, there's this like a pointy, but this one is a flat one. This battery are usually used for some toys and some what's this like watch. So even if it's there's no pointy, but still this has a positive and negative part. So this one is the positive, and then this one here are negative parts. So again, the answer for number one is a battery or a cell. So these things can store electricity, right? Okay, so again, for this one, what picture is this? Is it a battery or cell, a bulb holder, a cell or battery holder, a bulb or a wire? So this one is used to put the bulb in. So there are different types of bulbs, right? So not only this, but different ones. So this one has an outlet that you can connect to other. Maybe if you want to add more, you can connect it here, right? Okay, so the answer for this is it's a bulb holder. It will, if you put, so you put the light bulb here and it will hold the bulb. Okay, very good. How about this? This is the wire, right? So the wire, sometimes the wire is covered with rubber and sometimes a very special type of plastic. So in your house, you should not touch any wire that is connected to an outlet because you don't know if there's sometimes you know it's broken and then if you touch it then it can us especially if your hands are wet, water can conduct electricity, so be careful with this. Okay, so this one is what's this? This is a wire. Very good. How about this one? This usually you can see this kind of things like before, like the old cameras, the old even toys or radio. They have like this. So this is where we put the battery. So so as you can see here, there's a plus sign. The plus sign means positive, right? And this one is the negative sign. So when you put the batteries inside or the cell, as you can see here, there's the pointy one. So this one will push it here, and then the negative is on the side. So Again, all this one here, as you can see, here you should put the positive, the pointy one here, and then the negative here. This one you put the negative and then here positive. Here the negative should be here and then the positive here, negative here and then positive here, negative here, positive, negative and then positive. So we always remember that this springs like this, the metal part, this is where we put the negative one. So because have you tried putting the positive, the pointy one here, it won't work, right? It will not work because here is for the negative. It can push and it can work. Okay, so this one is a battery or a cell holder, right? So it holder means it can hold the batteries inside. Okay, and then the last one, this is very easy. So is it a battery or a cell? No. Is it a bulb holder? No. Is it a cell or a battery holder? No. Is it a wire? No. This one is called a bulb, right? Or we say light bulb. All right, students, thank you so much. That will be all for today. I hope you enjoy your Monday. Goodbye.